This is dastardly, this is horrific, this is obviously targeted against unarmed, innocent civilians who cannot defend themselves at the moment. But it also reflects, and evidence suggests, that there is, once again, a Pakistani hand in this.
So let me tell you, Pakistan right now is a failed state. And right now, in terms of economy, they are having so much of burden of the international loan that they are not even able to make their repayment. In terms of Balochistan, they have got a lot of internal issues. So they need some point to divert the attention. On the other hand, whatever we are seeing is just a front face. But the real person who is doing all this conspiracy is the Pakistani army. We all know that. We cannot fool ourselves more than this. So they are the one who has got never guts to take the direct attack with Indian army. They tried in 1971, they lost. They did the conspiracy during the Kargil war, taken all the advantage, but brave Indian soldiers kicked them out from the country. After that, they never had the guts, the courage to take direct face-to-face fight with Indian army. They have got only one policy: bleed India by 100 cuts. Means go make these terrorists go into the state, attack the terrorists, attack the Indian armed forces, attack the tourists and innocent. That's the way. So I can clearly say that Pakistani army is an army of cowards. They do not have the courage to take direct attack with Indian army. If you have got courage, please come. Please fight with us, man to man. And then we will show you what is courage is all about. You have become so coward that you are attacking our innocent Indian. This is attack on our unity, on the honor. And then India is not going to sit back. We will take the revenge. I am very clear. See, the time has gone when India is just talking about Aman ki Asha. We have done it enough. But now I think that Asha has gone forever. Because every time we have gone with a peace, we say we will take the first initiative. Even before Kargil, Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee gone with the peace ki Asha. But see what we have given.